Hello and welcome to Instant Nerd. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to add a banner or cover photo on Pinterest. If this video helps you, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's get started. First, open Pinterest on your phone and make sure you have a business account enabled. If you don't know how, I will guide you. Go to the Saved option, click on Settings, then go to Account Management and click on Convert to switch to a business account. Once you're on a business account, go to your profile, click on Settings, and then click on Add Cover Image. Select the image you want to use as a banner. Adjust it as needed and click Done. After that, click Update and your banner will be updated. You can change it anytime by tapping the three doors icon, selecting Add Cover Image, choosing a new image, clicking Done, and then updating it. Your banner will be changed shortly. This is how you add a banner or cover photo to your Pinterest business account. This was for today's tutorial. If this video was helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like this video.